All right, what's up, my guys? We are on our way to Dig or Die. We are set up. I've got tires for days for a bunch of people. I've got 5 sets of Hoosier 2810 5s that guys have bought, and we are here getting some fuel. Already on the road a little bit, but Levi's in here.
Look at that V3.
What?
The CTSV.
Oh, the new CTSV. It's a good looking unit. Well, you feeling good in here, huh?
Yeah, comfy.
You happy to be off work? You ready to go watch some good racing?
I was hoping to work some overtime this weekend.
yeah, I'm done with that. So, yeah, we're ready. I got Whitey in here. We got the, let me just show you what all we got in here. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, dude, your Jufro looks amazing. So, we got the Ranger, got Whitey back here. We're all loaded down and looking good. I'm pretty excited to have this deal out, and got coolers full of stuff. We're ready. So don't know exactly how the schedule is going to be. I just know tomorrow evening we are racing. So praying that the weather holds. There's like 60% chance of rain, but I think it goes down as the night progresses. I don't know, we'll see. So we are gonna go pick up Jimmy, then we are headed down to Rockingham. Some good looking hair, man.
Appreciate that,
dude.
Yes, sir. See how the place has got seats that Walmart Ozark Trail special. It was like 80 bucks. No, it was like 60 bucks for a 10 minute in.
Something like that. It wasn't hard.
Make sure you grab one chip. They have roosters, they love to stick together. Make sure it's hard. Make sure one of your crew members don't throw a chip.
Alright, so we are getting prepared to run first round of the daily class. We've drawn Travis Odom with, I believe it's a red SS. It's like the 4-door, like not an Impala. I don't know exactly. The whole deal sort of confuses me, but it's not a G8, so it's a Chevy version. So, but it should be fun. We got big tire cars going down first, and then small tire. We got a pretty conservative tune-up in it, so we will see how she does. Don't really know. No idea. Alright, so we are second up. Won the first pass. Hopefully somebody got a video. They're running big tire right now, and I'm running a CTSV Cadillac this pass, so we'll see how that goes. It's a little crazy. So.
No, you got to stop. You gotta limber up. Got the brake. Go with the brake, bub. Come on!
We need to get that video of the car.
Yo, you like right? Yo, you like right? Yo. Hey, who like right now?
So 1 second round beat a turbo CTSV, and now we got big tire stuff, and I'm racing a twin turbo 2019 Coyote. Sick, beautiful car. So it's gonna be awesome. All right, my dudes, so we got Whitey back here in the background. This is just getting the video edited for the dig or die, and just want to do a sort of outro for this video and just talk about what all we had going on. It's really bright out here, so I do apologize, but it is what it is. This is the best way that I could do this. Whitey did absolutely amazing. Went up against Jacob Mitchell in his 2019 car and just didn't have enough in it. Hit the scramble, and on top end, just sort of, I got closer to him, but I was hazing the tires the whole way and ended up losing right at a car, I believe. And it was awesome. I mean, I made it a lot farther than I expected to. Car was untested, brand new, right after having the transmission take a crap on me. And so, you know, within a week of putting the transmission in, we went rounds at dig or die. So dig or die was fun. It was a pretty good time. We had the next day is when it got crazy, and I'll be putting all of that up on the yeah, I'm glad somebody's slowing down here. Sorry about that. Got my truck absolutely demolished yesterday. But anyways, the first day was absolutely awesome. Started raining at like 3:45, dried up by 5:30, and we got to do some racing. Steve went out first round, just lit the tires up, smoke. Go check out Spooled Media, and he's got all of the racing that happened. It's just extremely difficult. I forgot to tell the guys twice to hit my GoPro on that was on the car, and so I only got one of those passes on GoPro, so I'm just failing hardcore at the whole YouTube thing, and I do apologize to everybody, but it is what it is. So but Whitey's doing good, and hopefully here soon we will be going to some more races with it, and hopefully the Zephyr motor will be back here soon. So that's going to be it for this video, but stay tuned. I'm going to be editing the next video with a ton of racing from dig or die, sort of another perspective, another camera angle. So go check that out. It's going to be awesome. And yeah, appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me how you think Whitey did, and if you like Whitey, throw a comment down there. Give me a like, all that good stuff. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.